If you're wondering whether MLOps courses on Coursera are worth it, the short answer is yes, especially if you already have a foundation in machine learning and want to learn how AI models are deployed, monitored, and managed in real production environments. Before we get started, if you decide to enroll, there's a link in the description that gives you the current discount on Coursera Plus. Let's look at the 3 best MLOps programs on Coursera based on ratings, learner reviews, popularity, certification value, and industry credibility. At number 3 is Machine Learning Operations, or MLOps, Getting Started by Google Cloud. This course introduces the fundamentals of deploying machine learning models on Google Cloud. You'll learn about model deployment, CI/CD pipelines, automation, and cloud-based AI workflows. It's a great introduction for learners interested in cloud-based MLOps. At number 2 is MLOps Machine Learning Operations Specialization from Duke University. This advanced specialization covers model deployment, AWS SageMaker, Microsoft Azure, DevOps, GitHub, Hugging Face, Responsible AI, and production-ready machine learning workflows. If you're preparing for an MLOps engineering role, this program provides broad, practical knowledge. Taking the number 1 spot is Machine Learning in Production by DeepLearning.AI. Created by Andrew Ng's team, this highly rated course teaches model deployment, data validation, continuous monitoring, model optimization, and production machine learning best practices. It's one of the most respected MLOps courses on Coursera and an excellent next step after learning machine learning fundamentals. So, are these courses worth it? If your goal is to become a machine learning engineer, AI engineer, or MLOps engineer, absolutely. These skills are in high demand because building a model is only part of the job. Companies also need professionals who can deploy, maintain, monitor, and improve AI systems in production. If you're planning to complete more than one of these programs, purchasing them individually can become expensive. That's why Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Right now, you can save 40% on the annual Coursera Plus subscription, reducing the price from $399 to just $239 per year. That's less than $20 a month for access to more than 10,000 courses, professional certificates, specializations, and guided projects. If you found this review helpful, check the discounted Coursera Plus link in the description before the offer ends.